welcome to today's video. Today's video is very exciting because we're doing double unboxing. Yes, I have partnered up with your and my favorite brand, Pascal. So today we're working with Pascal and I'm going to unbox this beautiful green box. I'm so excited to see the watches that arrived very recently and we are going to unbox it together. So these are the two very beautiful boxes that I have received from Pascal, and now we're going to unbox it and see it together. So this is one of the most gorgeous watches, and this design I have been eyeing for so long. I have received this color. This color is called Cocoa, and saw this color. I was like totally sold. This design has many different combinations. You can check in their website. Love it so much. And Pascal is known for their diamonds. All of their watches have diamonds and their designs are like very nice. So if you go to their website, they have many different designs. So I have got another watch as well, which I'm going to show you right now, and that is also one of their new collection. The brand Pascal, known for their timeless classic diamond watches, and now I have this in my collection. I cannot tell you guys how much excited I am. And right now we are going to see the next watch, and then I'm going to tell you more details about them. So this is one of their newest design, and this design also comes in probably three different colors. You can check in the website, but I'm always there when it is gold and black, so I picked up this one. Looks very gorgeous, and I would say in person it is more beautiful than how it looked in the website. I'm totally impressed. It has black and gold. The dial is like very stylish. I have never seen anything like this before, and also the diamonds are very sparkly here, which is very sparkly. I absolutely love it. Such a gorgeous watch. I have small wrists. A lot of the time I struggle with adjusting the watches to my wrist, and the best part is that this one, you don't have to cut to make it short. You just can adjust it here. Super easy. You can do it by yourself. So I'm very impressed how I could adjust it like within a minute for myself, by myself, and I didn't have to take anybody's help. I also love the little knob here, which is the adjustable. So this part, the design is look very stylish. So overall, this watch is my most favorite watch. I didn't think I would love it so much, like this much. It's really gorgeous. This watch, in my opinion, is going to give you a dress up look. So anytime you're going for a party or special evening outing, this is going to elevate your look so much. And now let's move on to the next watch and see how that looks on my wrist. So this is my most wanted, like long time I was waiting for this, and finally I have it. I cannot express how happy I am, just because look at this little timepiece here, how beautiful it is. So shiny, so gorgeous, so luxurious. The only thing is that it's a little big, so I have to adjust it. So I will do it soon and just make it my size. Maybe I have to just take off 2 or 3 little part from the strap, and then it will be my size. Usually that's the case with every watch that I buy. So, but look at the design. It is so luxurious, so beautiful, and the diamonds are shining so bright. A closer look, just see. So this is their timeless classic piece, and I feel like you can wear it like for any occasion. If it's a special event, it will totally fit there. If you want to use it like for everyday life, it is totally good for that. This is a piece I can wear like every single day. I feel like that. This is absolutely beautiful, and the color will go with any outfit. And I was really wanting a silver watch because this gives a more casual look. So because of the silver, it's more casual, and also because of color, it elevates the look. So I think it's a very, very good combination. Down below in the description box from where you can get these beautiful timepieces, and also I have a discount coupon code for you guys that will be in the screen here, and also I'll put it in the description box so you can save when you do some shopping. I believe that these timepieces are going to be a perfect addition to your luxury collection because they are going to elevate your outfit so much, and this is a great gift. Like Pascal Watches can make great gifts for wedding, for anniversary, for Valentine's Day, or for any special occasion. Also Mother's Day is approaching, so for any occasion, both men and women, you have many different designs. So just go to the website and check, and I think you can find, definitely you are going to find something for yourself or for your loved ones. Here I'm adding some pictures of the new arrivals in the Pascal website. They are all very much unique and so gorgeous. You can see there are couple watches. There are watches comes with matching jewelry pieces. Most of them are diamond watches, and there are so many variations for all different tastes for both men and women, which is absolutely gorgeous. These watches are the way that you can totally maintain your style, your luxury style, while not breaking your bank. So it's a great way to look really stylish and also save your money. And I'm also giving you the discount code, so that is another great thing that you can use when you shop. So I'll not extend this video anymore. Go check the website, and there are many designs and many colors of these watches, so you are going to find something for yourself or for your loved one. And this video is going to end here today. I hope to see you next time on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.